Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream design on cake. Begin by chilling your bowl, beaters, and piping tips to keep cream firm and stable. Whip cream to medium stiff peaks, then transfer to a cupler-ready bag while cold. Test pressure on a plate, practice motions, and maintain consistent pressure. Keep extra cream chilled and rotate the cake slowly for smooth, even patterns and tidy borders for a polished finish. In this video, I will show how to make cream design on cake. Choose the right tip for your motif and fit it into a clean piping bag. Stabilize cream with a small amount of gelatin or powdered sugar for warmer settings. Keep your turntable at hand and an angled spatula for corrections. Work in short sessions to prevent softening and chill between layers to lock in detail and maintain crisp edges. In this video, I will show how to make cream design on cake. Quick recommendation: grab the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during long decorating sessions and avoid sticky fingers on tools. It seals tight, fits cup holders, and makes sipping between layers easy and pleasant. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful baking tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cream design on cake. Try simple shells, rosettes, and ruffles first, focusing on rhythm and pressure. Hold the bag at a consistent angle, release pressure smoothly, and lift straight up to finish each element. If a petal or rosette looks uneven, gently lift it with a spatula and remake it. Regular practice builds muscle memory, so set aside short sessions to refine each move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.